Hi, welcome back to a new video, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna be doing a info product landing page, and I'm gonna do it for myself because I have to make it and now I have time, so I'm gonna be doing it with you because we like saying in Spanish, matamos dos pájaros de un tiro, like we do both things at the same time, no? So thank you so much for seeing the video. Let's get started, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and you can tell me in the comments whatever topic you are interested in. So thank you so much for seeing the video. This, I don't know how it's gonna the length that is gonna be, I don't know, but let's try to make it cool, and I'm gonna be doing all the steps that I need to do, because I need a good landing page, a good looking landing page, but I don't want to go fast, and I don't want to do it bad. I want to do in a correct way, with the quality, and not trying to make many landing pages, just one little by little, and with the correct approach, let's say. So thank you so much for seeing the video, and let's get into it. So I was looking because I had a Figma kit, because it's much more useful for me to do all the things. Like, I have all the components and I just have to look for them. Like, it's easier to say than to have, because like at first you have like 1,000 plus components, and you have to know which one you can apply, or which one do you need in each moment or section, let's say, that you are trying to get a landing page. But now I think that the best approach is this, because I want this section. But I can also, please Figma, work today, have this approach, and just add this, add this here. Yes, I will go with that. Product header 7. So I'm gonna do this product header 7, and the thing is that the copy and all the things, I have it here, because I have here the landing page on Gumroad. But as you can see, for example, here I'm like killing all the above the fold section. It's not too much optimized like this. It's much it's much more optimized for mobile than for desktop. So let's get into it. Gonna do it here. Okay, so for having the same structure and all the things the same, we're gonna duplicate this home. Okay, duplicate, and we're gonna call it but it's not gonna, well, yes, it's gonna be about this service landing mastery, and the parent folder none. We're gonna add one that is gonna be lead magnets, but as I didn't have it, we're gonna add it from here. Okay, where is it? Here. And now I'm gonna drop it into lead magnet, and the thing is that I don't want that to be seen like lead magnets. So let's see how I can get rid of it. LM service landing copy, service landing page mastery. So that's it. That's how are we gonna make it. And let's, like, I have to have this, and from each section I don't need anything, so I'm gonna get rid of almost everything. Gonna have my hero section just in case. Okay, so it said product header 7, so let's go here, product service, no, product header 7. Okay, let's try. Okay, we've got it here. I think it's cool. It fits so well, so we can get rid of this. This for now. I'm gonna add it like this. The name. It's gonna be 0, and this I'm gonna hide it from the moment because I don't have reviews, so just hide it. And now we can make all the things here, add the image here. Let's see how it's gonna be looking on mobile. Correct. And I want to add this because I really like it. So product headers 9, I'm gonna be adding it and then adding like only the section that I need. So let's go here and let's go with the 9, copying. Okay. And now I want to add it like just after here, so I'm gonna add it here. Gonna get rid of the next section, and this is not, so I want the spacer, then this, and then the next spacer. Maybe too much, yes, maybe too much. Okay, so that's how are we gonna make it. There's not gonna be variants. Here should be the form that it's about the no, this list no. Here that it's the form we're gonna be adding the like we're gonna be adding a form. You wanna see? Get rid of this first, and as you can see, it's gonna be something like name and address, so it's gonna be so similar, and this is gonna be okay. So we are almost there. The thing is that do I need something like this for the people to go to other places? Like I don't have a category, a shop also. At least is from now, no, it doesn't make sense to have this. Just the service landing page. As you can see here, we're gonna be inspired by this, and we're gonna do this. And on the checklist, I want to make like the landing type services, pages, sections, top tier, size, not much size, but and then we're gonna be adding the here all the things and okay, I want to make sure that the people can have this as soon as possible. So I want to make sure that this is just way upper, way upper. Okay, and they can see all the things: the price, the name, the email address, submit, includes, and then the text. And this, for example, I can get rid of this because like it doesn't gonna have that much text, so get rid of everything. Bye. Okay, so for the image, like I had them here, save image, maybe this is the one, save. Oof, this image maybe is like too big, and we're gonna be adding them. The thing is that I can make another one. I'm gonna add it here like this. Okay, so gonna change the image from PNG to WebVP, let's say WebVP. We're gonna add all of them. We're gonna convert them, and this is for the site to load faster. Do I one? Well, if I have one duplicated, is the one that I have. This is the one that is duplicated, and WebP. These are the ones that I'm gonna be adding here. And where I'm gonna add it, I'm gonna add another folder, because if not, there's too many folders in Webflow and too many assets. So as you can say, and they are in Spanish, we're gonna add a new folder that is gonna be lead magnets, and I'm gonna add another one, service landing page mastery. But I think it should be named homepage, because they're all gonna be service landing pages, because they are gonna be for agency and B2B. So there's gonna be always services and homepage landing page mastery. Okay, and now here, like, I can edit the folder, parent folder, link magnets. And upload WebP. No, this. I'm gonna add the very first one. Let's see. I think it should be this one. But it's so huge. So huge. Homepage. Let's gonna make it contain. Like this is perfect. Okay, so that is the very first one. The second, we have 3, so let's get rid of this. The second, please, can I see it? No? Well, I'm gonna edit anyways. This, and the last is almost the same as the first. And if I can see it, for example, right now in Webflow, the thing that I do is like this, and no problem. I'm gonna get rid of this of the arrows, because I don't need them. So just hide and hide, because I have this for the people that they know that they can go from one to another, so that's not a big deal. We're gonna make here form fill, just to make it a little bit with radius. Not that much, no? But okay. It's here. The submit button is here. I want this. Name, maybe here I need some spacing, So just gonna add it here, and we're gonna call it like this because sometimes it gets a little bit messy and I can change all of them in case I need it much more easily with this. So okay, it's €0, name, address, I want this. I don't know if I really need to showcase like it's, let me think. I'm gonna be saying that it's free, so maybe it doesn't make that much sense to showcase that it's free, no? Like, nah, I'm gonna get rid of that, or the free. Okay, and this includes, and then here I'm gonna add this as the text. That is a rich text, so maybe I can and this maybe link, yes, to the same site, and text color main blue and bold. Okay, so they can check my Twitter account. Okay, so we've got it. Like, gonna say the main thing that it includes, because even though it's a free product, I want to showcase all the things that I've done, because I think it's so much work done here. Like, it's a complete layout of a website, like from the very first section, saying why all the sections need to be like that, why all the copy has to be like that in each section, like all the structures, some tips on copy. Like, it's a huge document, so I really want to show that I'm bringing so much value. So well, I can duplicate this, like this is a tip. Do it like this, and then from here just get rid of them. Okay, so 9 steps, and I'm gonna add it like bold because I want to showcase that it's huge. I don't know if it's gonna be seen like that, but bold, please. Okay. Okay, so I've got like 32 pages, 9 steps, 9 sections. And I have to really, maybe I'm adding now more, 9 sections. Top tier agency examples. I don't know how does it seem, like, how does it looks, sorry, on mobile. I'm gonna check that. Okay, like this I think is perfect, but I don't think it's gonna add here. I don't want that much gap. In fact, I want so little gap between all of them. Okay, 32 pages, 9 section, 9 9 steps. Okay. Doc file of 30 plus pages. And steps per section. And I want to showcase the real value that it's here. So let's gonna, and I'm gonna look at the real content. Can I go? Okay, so this is the lead magnet. That is much better than this. Homepage landing mastery. Okay, so how do you create your 9-section conversion edited? I don't know if you can hear there's people outside. Okay, so yes, I can. I need to show all the value that I've got here. So the thing is that I want to make sure all the sections that are there also. Okay, so we're gonna do it in the next video, because I think it's gonna be this maybe is too much. Like, it's more like a marketing style video. This is a Webflow video. This is more oriented on the design that I'm currently doing. As you can see, this is all the design that it's been here done, and I can do this on mobile. So this is the Webflow section, no? And then we will add all the marketing that I need. I thought it was better. I'm gonna better it. So let's gonna do the Webflow, and then on a next video let's gonna add all the value that we've got here, because we've got so much value here, and I didn't really know that like I have to show all the sections that I've got to showcase all the value. I want to showcase all the value, even though it's a free product. I want the free product to be with so much value, and then I need. Okay, so now we're gonna end this video. We're gonna do this image, like for example with a radius 1 rem. Oh, it's the same here, overflow. Oh no, it doesn't care. Maybe it's this. It should be. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Okay, you have to be 1 rem, and no, but maybe no, it works. Okay, so it's perfect. And now the thing that I need to do is the form. I want the form to be named in a way that it's for me, that I really know what are the people coming from and what do they need, and then I want to make the automations and all the things. And the thing is that this page you can get automatized via adding a script from other way, like for example from how it was called, ConvertKit. I can have my link from ConvertKit and add it here, and then when they add their name here, they go to the ConvertKit, and now like I've got them in my newsletter, and I can send them, and I know where they come from. I can make it through ConvertKit, I can make it through Go High Level, I can make it through whatever automation you are thinking of. In fact, the thing is that I'm gonna I'm gonna add also a ConvertKit link, because it's much more better to do it like that, because if not, I'm gonna have a submission without any automation. That's a horrible idea. So okay, I think that you have seen how is the overall layout, how do I do the things that I do in Webflow, and the things that, for example, this, I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't like it like this. Just please, one column, and like this, much more perfect. So I have my what does include, what is the name, how to create, love it. And I'm gonna add in the next video here the marketing tips, and then we're gonna add here, we're gonna create an embed code, and we're gonna transport all the embed code to ConvertKit, and we're gonna use our main email, like my own email, to showcase that you can do it like this and get your emails from Webflow to whatever automation tool you use. So I don't know if it did. Nah, this is because it's like too small. So that's how I will make my info product landing page. As you can see, it's so similar to Gumroad. The thing is that Gumroad also it takes like a 10% of your product that you sell. So, well, for example, on the products that are free, like you don't have to pay anything, no? But the thing is that you can have all the info and all the things, and you don't have, like, for example, imagine that you have Gumroad and you have then ConvertKit, or you have whatever tool you use. Like, you kinda have to mix them up and try to get like all of the leads that you've got, like try to have other tools to mix them. But if you do in Webflow, like you can add the embed code and it goes directly where you want it to go. So that's the way of doing it, like on the best approach, because you can have 100% like 100% where do you put all the embed code and where do you send the people to. So that's the very best approach to have. So thank you so much for seeing the video. It was like a Webflow video, and as I told you, I'm gonna be doing the marketing stuff, because like it's like the value stacking. I want to showcase all the value that I've got in the project in each page, because even though it's a free thing, like people when buy your thing, people when take a free thing, like they get to your newsletter, they get to your emails, and if they don't like it, like they have to go to your page to unsubscribe, they lose time, they don't think that you are good, like they are gonna be wasting like so much time and effort. Like it doesn't really like make sense for me for doing a shitty product or doing a shitty page. So I want to make like the very best page that it can be. Like if it's a paid product, so that's the page that I want to make for the people to buy them, even though it's a free thing. So thank you so much for seeing the video, and then we're gonna see the next day is gonna be the thank you page. It's gonna be a video that I will make to the people to say thank you so much for getting this lead magnet. Just these are the very next steps that you have to do, and I'm gonna do it in video and also in like the steps zones in there, and then added the CDA or the call to action if in case they need some help with the landing page. So thank you so much for seeing the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.